Hey guys, welcome back to Destiny Manifeste. Today I am coming to you from my basement, and I just basically wanted to let you guys know about some other ways you can make money from the books that you are currently publishing. So it's just a way of getting more bang for your buck. You know, you work hard on your books and you deserve to profit as much as possible from them. So I wanted to basically show you guys some other platforms that you can publish on that are not just KDP. You know, you don't have to limit yourself to publishing books on Amazon. There's other places that actually give you a larger profit for every book sale. I'm going to get into 9. This is our website, Publish Pages Services. This is one of our websites. Anyways, this is our writing service website. So we help you do descriptions for your books so that they can sell more. And we also help you with editing and formatting. And in the future, we're going to have plenty of other services coming. So definitely take a look at it, publishpageservices.com. But yeah, let's get into the blog post. So let's go. Oh, and before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to click the notification bell. And when we finally hit 1K subbies, which we're close to, we're going to be giving away some awesome services like a book vault, full year subscription, and some other fun stuff. So make sure that you do subscribe. And yeah, let's get into it. So this blog post is called Where Should You Publish Your Book? 9 Great Self-Publishing Companies for Indie Authors. So let's get into it. Okay, so you have your manuscript along with a beautiful cover ready to upload and hopefully get your book out there to start earning royalties. But perhaps you're wondering, where should you publish your book? First things first, you want to decide on what you require from a publishing platform. Will you be offering an ebook and a print format of your book? What about an audio version? Are you comfortable having your book exclusively on one platform, or would you rather publish wide to many platforms? Are you willing to pay a fee to have one platform handle the distribution of your book to many platforms? There are a myriad of options out there for ebooks and print books alike, all with their unique features, benefits, and drawbacks. And with all of these options, it's easy to get overwhelmed. There's a lot to consider. Some self-publishing services require exclusivity. Sometimes royalty rates vary between platforms. Some companies require you to pay upfront to publish with them, while others allow you to upload your book for free. In this video, I know it says post, but this is a video. So in this video, we want to help you alleviate some of that stress by helping you to figure out which platform is best for you. And hopefully after reading through this article, you'll have an idea of which platforms best suit your needs. Below, you'll find a list of some of the most popular self-publishing platforms and some aspects of each of them. So let's get into it. I'm going to disappear, but I'll still be here. We'll start with the titan on the list, Amazon KDP's Kindle Direct Publishing Platform. For ebook purchases, Amazon holds a whopping 83% of the market share, and within the US, approximately 50% of the market share for print books. It doesn't cost you any money to upload your book, and Amazon only takes fees when you get a sale. Royalties for ebooks are 70% when your book is priced between $2.99 and $9.99, but this drops to 35% if your book is priced below $2.99 or above $9.99. Amazon is many authors' first choice when it comes to self-publishing because of the sheer volume of the market that they own and also how easy it is to get started. KDP Select is another option for self-publishers on the Amazon platform, but it means you'll be distributing your book exclusively through Amazon. Enrolling your book in KDP means that the KDP Unlimited subscription members that read your book, they can read it for free, and then you get paid monthly for the amount of pages read. Amazon will grant you benefits of being enrolled in this program, like free promotions and deals. Keep in mind, you don't have to enroll your book in KDP Select, and you can still have your books on Amazon. KDP also offers print-on-demand distribution, and being the largest online retailer in the world and so highly trafficked, it's likely that your book will be seen and will be bought. But of course, it still takes, good marketing, niche research, and everything like that. Amazon KDP used to only feature paperback print books, but they began experimenting with hardcover books as well. So for those of you who might have been counting them out for a print book option because of the lack of variety, this might change your mind about KDP. So definitely check out their hardcover options. And we actually have a link on our website to KDP, and we'll get to number 2 on the list. So that would be Barnes & Noble. So Barnes & Noble Press offers self-publishers ebooks, paperbacks, and hardcover book options. Just like KDP, you can upload your book files and submit your book for publishing all on your own. Barnes & Noble's boasts a user-friendly interface, but the distribution of your book is limited to Kobo devices and bn.com. Still, being a book retailer, Barnes & Noble's allows your book to be discovered by potential customers on the actual website. Uploading your book to Barnes & Noble's is free, and the royalty is a flat 70% for ebooks, no matter what you price them at, and they boast no tiered royalty rate for sale prices, which is very fair. Also, they make royalty payments every 30 days, unlike Amazon and some other platforms that take about 90 days to pay you out your first royalty. So you can definitely check them out too. And we're going to get to number 3. So that is Rakuten's Kobo. Kobo is strictly a digital book platform, currently offering ebook and audiobook formats to its customer base. And once again, you can upload your book through Kobo's platform quite quickly. Being a large international retailer, the distribution of your ebook will span bookstores across 190 countries. Rakuten's Kobo's royalty rates are 70% on ebooks priced higher than $2.99 and 45% on books priced below $2.99. Also, they don't require exclusivity unlike KDP, and they allow you to run your own promotions. Number 4 on the list is IngramSpark. Now, IngramSpark is another great platform that offers ebooks, paperback, and hardcover print options. Not only that, but they also offer dust jackets, cloth covers, and a whole bunch of other print book options that you just can't find on Amazon. Their print quality is also noted to be a little bit better than Amazon's as well. You can upload and submit your book by yourself, but the interface isn't as user-friendly as some other options on the list. Uploading your book can be an intensive process for a newbie, so just be warned about that. IngramSpark is a good option for worldwide distribution purposes since they actually work with 30,000 book retailers. So your book will definitely be, distributed across a wide range of both in-person and online stores. That can really help to boost your sales. Publishing your book through IngramSpark starts at $25 for an ebook and then $49 for a print book only. But you can also do $49 for both a print book and an ebook of the same book. So that's probably where you're going to get the best bang for your buck. Definitely check them out if you're interested. Number 5 is Google Play Books. So in early 2020, Google Play finally opened its doors to allow indie authors to sign up and upload their books freely onto the platform without first going through an approval period, or worse yet, a waiting list. Now it's easy for authors to create a new publisher account and start uploading books right away. With royalty rates of 70% for the author, Google beats out Amazon on lower-priced ebooks. Using this platform to distribute your book, Google will offer it in ebook format only. There's no print options, but they will offer it to Android users across 50 countries and potentially billions of people, because billions of people use Google, right? So it's definitely a great platform to be on. Unless you have some kind of exclusivity deal on your book, there's no reason not to be on Google Play. And Google Play Books allows buyers to preview your book through Google Books before they decide to buy. So that's just like the look inside feature on Amazon. This is a do-it-yourself platform, meaning you upload your book files on your own. And one more thing to keep in mind is that Google Play does reserve the right to price match the price of your book with other platforms. So keep this in mind too and price your books accordingly. The next on our list is Apple Books. So just like the former, Apple Books only offers ebook distribution and no print-on-demand options. The royalty rate is again 70% for the author on most books, and you're able to upload and submit your ebook by yourself. Unlike Google Play Books, Apple Books offers a variety of marketing tools. Of course, as with Apple services, you only have access to this self-publishing platform if you have a Mac computer. However, there are ways of bypassing this if you decide to use an aggregate service such as Draft Digital or Smashwords. They also will publish your books to Apple Books, so you don't have to go through Apple Books if you don't own a Mac, and they can distribute your books for you. Finally, your book will only be available on Apple Books if you publish on Apple Books, but uploading your book is free, so you can definitely check them out too. We have the link on our website, and we'll leave our website in the description. Number 7 is Smashwords. So Smashwords is another option for ebook publishing only. It's free to upload your book. However, with each copy sold, Smashwords gets a fee of 15% of each book sold on its retail site and 10% for each book sold on other platforms. Aside from your ebook being available on Smashwords store itself, Smashwords is also partnered with, like we said before, like with Apple Books. It's also partnered with Barnes & Noble, with Scribed, Kobo, Biblio, Overdrive, Baker & Taylor, Access 360, Tolino, Gardner's, Biblioteca, Cloud Library, Odilo, and Khalifa's Enki. So power ebook checkout systems for over 100 California libraries. So currently Smashwords doesn't distribute to Amazon unless you meet a certain quota of earnings per month, but I mean, it distributes to a wide variety of platforms. So it's definitely one worth looking at for publishing your ebook. There's a bit of a steep learning curve when it comes to the software. Also, you must have your ebook cover design and book file formatted and ready to go. But overall, Smashwords publishes books quite fast. And being an aggregator, Smashwords helps you to publish your ebook to many online book retailers all at once, saving you both time and energy. So you're not having to apply and upload your book to several different platforms. You can just choose Smashwords and KDP if you want to. So definitely check it out in the link below as well. And we're going to get to number 8. So number 8 is Draft to Digital. So Draft to Digital is just like Smashwords in that for a fee, they'll help you to publish your ebook and distribute it to multiple online platforms. To upload your ebook is free. However, they do get paid 10% of the book's retail price per book sold. Publishing through Draft to Digital means that your book will immediately be distributed to Amazon, Apple Books, Barnes & Noble's, Kobo, Tolino, Overdrive, Biblioteca, Scribed, Baker & Taylor, Hoopla, and Vivlo. So the platform has a user-friendly interface and a clean website. Draft to Digital also offers a number of benefits to authors. They'll give you something called a universal book link, or a UBL, and that allows a customer to be directed to the preferred retailer to buy your book. So that's one pretty cool aspect of this platform. And they'll also offer formatting for your book. Finally, all of your books are automatically added to the Also by this author section of all your books published and distributed through Draft Digital. And let's get to number 9. So the 9th and final platform on our list is PublishDrive. Now, PublishDrive is another platform through which authors can publish their book one time and have it distributed through multiple channels all at once. They allow you to publish audiobooks, ebooks, and print-on-demand books. The pricing system's a bit different, though. For a monthly fee of $100, an author can keep 100% of the royalties, or they will charge the standard 10% of the retail price of each book sold. So you can go either way. PublishDrive is partnered with Amazon. It's partnered with China Print, Findaway, Storytel, Dream, Kobo, Apple Books, Google Play Books, Barnes & Noble, Scribed, Overdrive, Playster, Odilo, Bookmate, Perligo, 24symbols.com, Tolino, Gardeners.com, Sindo, and so many more. With PublishDrive, authors are also given access to so many foreign markets. So this is definitely something to take advantage of if you choose to use them. And you can, again, check them out on our website. So that's the list, guys. That's all 9 options for different platforms that you can publish your books on. And I say just basically take advantage of like all of these awesome platforms. You don't have to constrict yourself to KDP. Remember, if you start a self-publishing book business, you're not just a KDP author, you're an author or you're a publisher who is selling books on the KDP platform. Don't limit yourself to that one place. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. You can find that you can make so much more money if you expand where your books are. And another thing too, like a lot of people, if they're publishing a print book and an ebook, they'll just go with like Amazon, and then they'll go with Amazon Kindle Select. But the problem with Kindle Select, that program, is that they take a large chunk of your profits a lot of the time, unless you're publishing your book within that small price frame of $2.99 to $9.99. You can get more bang for your buck. You can keep more of your profits per ebook sale on other platforms. So you might want to look into publishing your ebooks through IngramSpark or through Draft to Digital instead of through the Kindle Select program. Kindle Select, they're convenient, they're quick, it's quick and easy to get in there, but these other platforms, in the long run, you can save more of your money, you can make more money. So yeah, just something to consider. And yeah, do your research. And another thing is, you can't be in Kindle Select and then publish your ebook on these other platforms. You've got to choose, because Amazon is exclusive when it comes to the publishing of your ebook. So just keep that in mind too. And that's everything for this video. I really hope that you guys have definitely taken away some information from this video. Remember, when you create a book, you are potentially creating like 3 different products. You don't just have a print book, especially if it's a longer form book. You potentially have a print book, an ebook, and also an audiobook. So that's just an easy way of just making more money, making 3 times potentially more money than you would make if you just kept your book as a print book. So check around, look at your options. Don't limit yourself to just KDP. And besides, anything can happen with KDP. You know, like Amazon, for one reason or another, has been known to close an author's account, to suspend accounts and stuff like that. So that's like, Amazon publishing is not the be all and end all. There's always other places, so you should always know what your other options are. If you enjoy videos like this, be sure to smash that subscribe button, click the notification bell so you never miss a video, and we'll definitely be coming to you with more videos in the very near future. Thanks so much for watching, and hope you have an awesome day. Peace.